It's me again, Sister Mary Ratchet, the voice of God. So I'm here in my festive Hawaiian habit. I came to Hawaii because the Vatican said I needed a rest. Why would they say that? So I've been out here enjoying the natural, relaxing beauty of Hawaii. Coconut bras, watching the dolphins go by, swimming, playing, being sinful. They are, you know, the devil's mammal. Liars. Oh, I've seen them. Fornicating, eating fish. Fornicating with fish! I've rented scuba gear and 50 scuba missionaries to come with me. They have not heard the word of Carl. They stopped me with their sonar and surface-to-air missiles. But I know the truth. My special eye sees the way to salvation. Strangely enough, salvation can be found at 266 Main Street in Grand Junction, Colorado. It's actually a Denny's. Talk to a man named Carl. Carl. Ah! Ask for the ham slam sandwich. Salvation. In the jungle, night comes soon, but the day comes sooner. Day! Thank you. I hate the sun. The devil's son! No, wait. No, that's right. Have you ever seen what hydrogen turned into helium looks like? It's not pretty. Turning 2 innocent hydrogen atoms into decadent evil! Thank you. Helium atoms. Helium. That's the devil's atom. Oh, there's a reason why it's number 2. Not before God. Hydrogen 1, helium 2. Coincidence? I think not. But I don't care. I have to escape the headhunters. I know they're headhunters. People told me they were just the hotel staff, but I know hotel staff don't wear name tags. Ha 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 ha. Go! They're everywhere. I have to go. No. Stand fast. Oh, thank you. Stand fast. Begins. Click. Stupid son. Thank you. What was that? Thank you.